Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the topic stock and flow. Okay. What is the meaning of stock and what is the meaning of flow? Okay. As in earlier videos we discuss about the first chapter only, that we are continue with the first chapter. So we discuss about the basic concept, then we talk about the final intermediate codes, then components and concept about the consumption expenditure, who do the expenditure, then we talk about the investment components of fixed investment, inventory investment. Okay, now we will talk about the stock. So what is the meaning of stock? What is stock? So stock is measured at a particular period of time, particular period of time. So stock is measured at a particular period of time. For example, on 1st January 2021, you may having 10,000 rupees in your bank account. So what is that? That is stock, because we are measuring this at a particular period of time. Okay, so this is measured at a particular period of time. So on 1st January 2021, you are having 10,000 rupees in your bank account. So that is stock. Okay, then flow. What is flow? Flow means flow is measured at a specific period of time. For example, you are getting 500 rupees per month as your pocket money. You are getting 500 rupees per month as your pocket money. So that 500 rupees is flow. Okay, that is flow. So flow is measured at a specific period of time, and stock is measured at a particular period of time. So stock is measured at a particular period of time and flow is measured over a specific period of time. Okay. So what are the example? That wealth is a stock or flow? Wealth is a stock concept because it is measured at a particular period of time. Like we see the newspaper when there is the announcement of the person who is the richest person in the world. So their wealth is measured at a particular period of time. Okay. So wealth is stock. Then labor force means working population in the country. So at a particular period of time, how much working population exists in the economy, that is the stock. Then we having capital. What is capital? Capital can be money in hand, it can be in form of building, plant, machinery. Okay. So that is stock. Then water in tank, water stored in the tank. Okay. So that is measured at a particular period of time. So that is also stock. Okay. So wealth, labor force, capital, water in tank, population of a country. Population of a country is also stock, because this is also measured at a particular period of time. So it is stock. Then flow, income is a flow. For example, you don't have the income, you have the pocket money. For example, your parents are earning your father is earning per month 50,000, so that is flow concept. Okay. Then expenditure of money. You are expending 10 rupees. You are expending 10 rupees per day in the school canteen. So that 10 rupees is flow concept. Okay. Then capital formation. Capital and capital formation, what is the difference? Capital means that total, we can say assets, fixed assets that the person having, and capital formation means the person on 10 January 2021 having 10 machines. So that is the capital, but at the end of the, we can say, year, he is having 4 machines, so there is increment in the fixed assets. So that is the capital formation. There is an increase in the capital. So that is flow concept. Then leakage. Water stored in the tank is stock concept, but water अगर लीकेज है मतलब बह रहा है तो दैट इज ए फ्लो कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, अगर हम बहते हुए पानी को देखते हैं तो दैट इज ए फ्लो कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड वी कैन से सेल ऑफ राइस. सेल ऑफ राइस दैट इज ए फ्लो कॉन्सेप्ट, बट अगर उन्हीं राइस को हमने स्टोर करके गोडाउन में रखा हुआ है दैट इज स्टॉक कॉन्सेप्ट. सो स्टॉक इज मेजर्ड एट ए पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम and flow is measured at a over a specific period of time. Okay, so students read this topic, stock and flow concept. Okay, and how the question came, like you will be given the example like capital formation, so it will be included in stock or flow. Then labor force, so labor force will be included in stock or capital. So which side these things will be included? Question will be came this type only. Okay, you can be asked meaning also, that what is the meaning of stock and what is the meaning of flow. You can be asked difference between stock and flow. Okay, and either there can be like capital, is it included in stock or flow, or why it will be included, why leakage will be a part of flow concept, explain. Why income is a part of flow concept, or we include income in flow, why, explain. So this type. Okay, so students, watch the video and read this flow and stock concept from your book. Next video we will do the circular flow of economy. Okay, so if you face any doubt, any problem, you are free to ask. Thank you.